So it's day 2 to frame. Just me and House Wolf. Yeah, no kids. Big kid's in school today. Second full day. So he's allowed to do that as needed. So I'm just kind of hanging out, making some sparks in case he needs a call. And then I'll go get him. But yeah, so far he's doing good. And if he does another good day of school, I'll go back to work. That kind of sucks, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna tinker around out here and finish all this crap work and get the kids back in when it gets fun. We don't want them. I don't really want them out here doing all this garbage. I don't want them to get ground on, cut. That'd be my luck. One of them would take the grinder and grind off his finger or something. So wait till they get a little bit older before we start doing that stuff. So this is a lot of work. The other day I got that side all done. Top's pretty easy. It's not that's the problem, it's when you get to the bottom. Pain in the ass. Get easier on myself if I pull that rear end, and that's the intake buried under there. Still attached to the fuel system and the fuel tank. So if I pulled all that stuff off, I bet you I could get the tractor out or use the come along up there or something, flip this frame over to get to the bottom, but I don't know, that's a lot of work. I'd rather do it the hard way, hang upside down, flip over, eat sparks. You know how it is. So far it's working. And today I'm gonna finish that up. Yeah, let me get out of here. See you. Trying to stitch my welds out so I don't warp things. I've done that before. I've never boxed a frame in before, but I have made bumpers and stuff in college for off-road trucks, and I warped the hell out of the first one I ever did because I didn't stitch it right, so everything's kind of tacked in there. And then now I'll go through and kind of evenly distribute the heat. That and my little spatter box there. Hell, that thing's from the 90s. I think it was from Kmart. My dad bought me that when I was a teenager. It'll do good enough for this frame, and then when we do go weld in the Mustang too, we'll use the better welder over there. That way I'm not burning up all my dad's gas and wire. But this is good for this kind of stuff, and let the kids play around with it. So there's the top. Let that cool down. I'll crawl on my ass here and do a little on the bottom, maybe some grinding, and we'll do it again. Those ones are pretty toast. Used a diamond wheel, and that will scar the hell out of it. So I really like these flap wheels, man. These are my favorite. They'll polish that shit up like a mirror. And I got another one of these to kind of get her down to where I want it, but I'm not gonna use a diamond anymore because it was good on the front when I was hacking off all the old struts and homemade shock towers and whatever cross members in there. That worked good for there, but not you don't want that to make her purty. So we're gonna let the welder cool down and grind off what I did and go from there. There's a first round of a suck. Tried to do a little more on the bottom because I just want to get that over with. I took a little more time on the plate on this side. It seems to be helping out. Left a little gap in there. I beveled it somewhere for the weld to go. Some parts of this frame, like here, I kept the plate straight, but the frame had been, I'm exaggerating, kind of kind of cut in here, so I have to build all that up because I don't want to squeeze the plate, and then that'll change my distance in the middle. So like I said, I've never done this before. This is my first shot, and better get back at it. Okay, I think I got the top stitched. As good as it's gonna get. Couple more inches of grinding on the bottom. Somehow I filled that gap in. Not sure. Summoned my inner Johnny Sins, I guess. Did the best a white boy could do. And I got all these holes too. I kind of wish I wouldn't have, but I filled them all in over here. Now I gotta do the same on this side. So I think we finish up the bottom and then get my flap wheel out. And if I got enough wire left, I'll do the hose. So, all right, stay there. I'll be right back. And you. The guy that decided welding all these fucking holes in was a good idea, but he needs to get fired. That side's definitely not as good as this one. I mean, the front's all buggered up. And then down here, it's on both sides. I don't know, that looks like somebody hooked a chain and pried that out. But it's on the same. But I'll fix that when I tie in the rest. I think I'm done. My glove's telling me I'm done. Good enough for who it's for. Frames, it's old. It's been through a lot of stories on there. Beat up, bumped, and bruised, but now this is going up here somewhere. Like that. Somewhere in there, I gotta get out and measure. There's directions somewhere. But that'll be next. As soon as I can drag the kids here, I'll bring them up. We gotta level it somehow. No idea what ride height's gonna be, but I think I might go get the running boards out, put them on, get it raked or whatever angle we decide the truck wants to look. And then we will stitch this in to match that. Try to make it look nice. So that's what we'll do next time. So what do the kids say? Tickle that bell. See you, citizen. Next time. Later.